What's going on, family? This is not financial advice. That's right, man. Do your own research, man. We're going to be getting to a couple stock picks, and we're going to be checking out what's happening next week because we got a big volatile week next week. Now, check this out.
Day after the close, earnings from software giant Oracle. On Tuesday, the NFIB Small Business Index is out. All eyes will be on the Consumer Price Index, where investors will get a sense of whether the Fed's rate hikes are taking a bite out of inflation. On Wednesday, we're going to read on wholesale inflation with the Producer Price Index. Another look at the state of the consumer on Thursday with August retail sales on that, plus weekly jobless claims and the Philadelphia Fed Index. Adobe will report earnings after the close. Investors rounding out the week on Friday with the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Report.
So I got a stock here I'm watching, which is oil, man. Oil has just been in a tight range from March all the way to September. So we're in a tight range right now. We're at major support, and I'm looking for a price to spike back up to at least about 79, 80 bucks within this coming week. That's what I'm watching right now. They're in a tight range. They could spike up to 100, but as you can see, they're in a strong uptrend all the way from November. This started. So oil has spiked all the way up. Now we're in this tight range, and I'm expecting a push up. So I'm expecting a bounce from this area at least back up to $80. So that's what I'm watching right now. I am also watching the big dog. I'm gonna put you on Tesla. I'm also watching Tesla, as you know they got the stock split coming up, and I'm gonna be watching them as well as Apple very closely. So as you know, we had that rally this past week, and this is what I'm looking at on Tesla. Let me just kind of bag up. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm watching for Tesla right now. So this is the big dog. As you can see, Tesla has they never came down to my support, and they just made a double bottom down there, two hammers on the daily chart. They are at support right now, or at resistance, should I say. If they can hold this 300 level, I would expect them to push on up to at least test that zone up. That'll be another leg up. So if they can come back up to this zone up here, this would be the top of the range around 312. That'll be the price target that I'm watching right now. So we're going to just check the higher time frame, and we're just going to see what will be a possible entry. Oh, this thing don't want to work. What will be a possible entry for us? So we're going to check this chart, and we're going to look at the bigger picture. Always, when in doubt, always zoom out. So we're just going to kind of check this chart real quick. We're going to see exactly what we're looking at. So you can see, man, we got a big old bullish candle, and it's looking like a bull flag pattern. So we got lower highs after lower highs, and they held a support. So they're above that moving average on a weekly. They're holding support right there, and if we see another leg up, they could come up to about 350 area, 350 to 360 area before we see some type of pullback. But right now I'm bullish on oil because of the bearishness in the market, and if this holds, we'll see a push up, strong push up on Tesla. So I'm watching these two plays very closely at support. Both of them are at support, but I'm more bearish on the stock market because of the CPI coming out on Tuesday. So that's what I'm watching for this week, man. A possible trade scenario if they make it up to the top of that range around 312 area. That's what I'm watching, man. So it's going to be a highly volatile week next week, man. The VIX came all the way back down to about 22, 23 area. And we're going to see if they trap these folks out again, man, and roll over. So that's what I'm watching for this week, man. Like and subscribe to the channel so we keep pushing this content, man. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Out.